Hi, it is day 39th of Improve My English. Actually, I am recording video at night 10:30 p.m. and yesterday night I have went for movie with my brother-in-law and my sister and my son, my brother, and I came to home at 12:30 and it is around 1 o'clock when I slept. Go to bed. After that, I woke up at 5:30 and I got ready for Bangalore for my interview. And to 6 o'clock, we started our journey, and it is continued for 5 hours. At 11:30, we reached Bangalore. After that, I visited my friend's PG, and I asked formal shoes for interview because I don't have. So I used his shoes and went for interview. At the interview, there is around 600 members, and interview will be in 4 rounds. First one will be aptitude and coding, and second round will be communication. Third round will be technical, and fourth round will be HR. And first round I have completed aptitude, but coding is very much difficult. It is DSA, I don't know. So this interview also gone, but I don't feel anything bad about it, and I don't think my preparation was wasted. But now I think I am much improved compared to previous. So I realized that it is not a waste of time or waste of anything. It is also an experience. Yeah, all about yesterday and today.